Right, hello Neil. I'm going to show you through the app. I've got some fancy OBS transitions. Okay, so this is the main view. This is where you can see all of the methods. You can search for anything. You've got all the filters here. They all work fine. You can search for different types of methods. You can favorite methods and then they appear at the top of the search. The different colors mean the different stages, so how many bells it has. So on each method you can see all of the information that's in the database. You can also heart and heart it. Then you can view it, which shows you the line, and this shows you information about the path for one bell, and in like word form, and you can change the bell there. Grid shows you just one lead end, and the calls show you the effect of calling either a bob or a single. I've got options where you can follow the blue line, so you choose one bell and then you basically press the size of the screen, and this has got a little bit of haptic feedback and everything, and I think it looks pretty nice. And when you make an error, it flashes the line. And then the listen section is the one that I'm working on at the moment, where you basically press to ring at the same right time. So I'm not sure if you can actually hear it on the recording, but at the moment I'm working on getting it so it tells you how close you were to the correct time. And then a big bit here is the option to do compositions, which basically tell it when to call bobs or singles. So if I do in out make the bob, then the first one is here when the observation bell, which is the blue line, comes in. There's a bob which changes the way the bells move. And then there's another bob when it goes out, and there's another bob when it makes the bob, or it technically means middle, but and then work also works for that. Follow the blue line also works for that with all the changes there. There's also the option to splice, so I can like make it turn into another method like halfway through, which is complicated as you can probably imagine. I've also got random compositions where each lead end has got a random chance of doing bobs, calls, splices. You can add splices, and that works well. So yeah, that's about all that I've got so far. I've got next I've got to make sure this all works fine. This is just like a placeholder UI. This needs to be fixed. I've got to add the option to see all your compositions. I've got to add all the settings. So still got a decent amount to go, but it's definitely coming along well. I've also got it. Wait, let me just show you this. If my OBS works, I've got it working on my phone as well. So I've just put on there. The database all works fine. So yeah, that's about all that I've got. It's quite technical. I can show you how the actual. I've got like a screen stack here. So whenever you let me just try it. So whenever I open like a new screen, it turns off the old one and adds a new one. So I can add like multiple variations of each, and then all the back buttons just do the same thing where they go back. I've also got, if you've seen this debug console, that is like a plugin that I use to debug on mobile. That's quite nice. So yeah, that's about it. Bye.